That is the little dog that comes and visits me every single day. Well, unless it's raining, I guess. Anyhow. Hi, flowers. Still have fence projects to do. But you know, things are so expensive. And the garden's overgrown because it's so hot. Did relocate the chickens. And I got them over here right now. Kind of eating down some of the grass in here. And let's take a peek. Hi. Okay. Hi. You're not going to be camera shy? And just to give you an idea, I washed this morning, inside and out. Added fresh water. You can tell it's been cleaned a little bit. I put it in there with soapy water, and they just get everything filthy every day. This I cleaned last weekend, I just didn't film it. That's why I didn't have huge chunks of stuff on it. But they're just busy. Oh, it's a mess, but they're my babies. They don't want to come say hi. Alright. We will talk to you guys later.